All right, guys, for the floating forms, falling forms, however you're seeing them, we are going to draw 5 forms together. We're going to draw a sphere, a cone, a cylinder, a pyramid, and a cube. And then we're also going to shade those forms together. So all you need is a pencil and a blending stump. And y'all, a blending stump is just a rolled up piece of paper. It's really tightly rolled up and then it's glued together. So these are super fragile. And when you're using these, you don't want to use the tip of the blending stump. You want to use like the side of the blending stump. So the side of the tip, if that makes sense. Because if you push down really hard, then this is going to go up inside of that and it's just not going to work anymore. So if you do that, you're going to ruin it and it won't be able to be used. So make sure you're using these correctly. Okay, the first thing that we're going to do is a cone. Let's do a cone. And we're drawing 5 on here, but I want you to draw a total of 7. So make sure that you're drawing them big enough to where you can fit at least 7 on here. Okay, so for the cone, we're going to start with almost like the top of a triangle, and y'all draw lightly because like right here I just messed up, so that way I can erase that. Okay, but instead of a straight line like a triangle, a cone will have a rounded line. Okay, so what we're gonna do first is just draw in all the shapes and then we'll go back and shade them. So that is all you need for the cone. Very simple. Okay, for a cylinder, that is going to be, you'll start with an oval. Start with an oval. And then you're going to do 2 straight lines down. Okay. And then imagine that you're going to like copy and paste the bottom half of this oval right down here. So do the best you can to make it look identical to that top oval. Okay, so it's just that. It's not see-through, so you won't have a whole oval at the bottom. It's gonna be a solid figure, so just the bottom is all you need. Okay, then a pyramid is going to start, let's see here. We'll start with just a straight line, straight vertical line. Okay. Then off that pyramid, you're gonna draw a V. It's almost like a down arrow. That's what it looks like right now. Okay. Then you're gonna connect from the top of that vertical line to this edge of the arrow, if you're looking at it that way. And then same thing on the other side. Okay, so just a few simple lines can make a 3D figure. Okay, the cube, what we're gonna do for a cube is first just draw a straight line, kind of like how we started this one. Straight vertical line. Okay, then we're going to also do a like down arrow shape. Okay, so it just looks like a down arrow right now. Then this is the part where people start doing wonky things. You're just going to do the exact same like V shape at the top. So it's a V. V, not anything else. It's a V. A lot of people will do this the wrong way and then it turns out wonky. So it should be like the same length line on the right side and on the left side of this line. Okay, then you're gonna connect that with 2 vertical lines. Like so. And then we gotta make the top of the box, which this line right here should be parallel with this line right here. Okay, so these two are essentially like the same line. They're parallel. And then the same thing here. So this line should be parallel with this line. Okay, and now for a sphere, you can use a lid if you want to make a perfect circle. There's a bunch of different ones in my room. So depending on what size you want, it's up to you, but you can use a lid to make a perfect circle. Sorry, I had to go grab a lid. Okay, so you can grab whatever size lid that you want your sphere to be, but you're gonna start with just a plain old circle. Like that. And then to make this into a sphere is all shading. Okay, but you should have on your paper right now a cone, a cylinder, a pyramid, a cube, or a rectangular prism if it's not a perfect cube. That is fine. And then a circle. Or it's gonna be a sphere, but it's a circle right now. All right, I'm gonna pause the video and then show you guys how to shade them.